In Project Groceries, as you make orders, you will get a collated list of ingredients that you can sort and filter to your needs and then print when you're ready. I can see all the ingredients I've ordered, and then on the sidebar here I can fine tune this list. So I can set the date range. Currently it's showing all orders made this year. I can set this to this week, for example, and this is the list of ingredients ordered for this week. I can also group the ingredients. I can group them by recipe, so I can see the orders made for each individual recipe. I can group them by class to see orders made in each class, and I can group them by user. I can also sort these ingredients. Right now you can see they are sorted by tag. This just makes it convenient if you use tags, for example, to separate groups of ingredient types. For example, all the fruit and veg ingredients are all together here, fresh herbs, and so on. I can also sort alphabetically or by the date the ingredients were created. And finally, I can filter based on different things. I can filter based on tags, so I can only show a specific tag. For example, if I say I only want to see baking goods, I can only see baking goods, and this ingredient has no tag. I can also filter by class, so if I say year 12, if I say year 11 home ec, we can see these are the orders made in that class. And again, I can filter by user. And finally, if I've done my shopping, for example, for all these ingredients, I can delete these orders, or I can clear all the orders. The difference between these two is clear all orders will delete all orders, not just those shown in the current time period, which is this week. Whereas delete visible orders would only delete the orders here, so it would delete orders made for this week. So to demonstrate, if I delete visible orders, we can see that no orders have been made for this week. But if I go to, let's say, this term, there are still orders here, just no orders for this week.